Good morning, students. This is Neha Gupta, and today's topic is all pair shortest path algorithm. So, what is all pair shortest path? As we have already discussed about single source shortest path. Now, we have to find all pair shortest path. Means, let's say this is our graph A, B, C, and D. Okay, this is our graph. So we have to find shortest distance between vertex A to B, C, and D. Similarly, from vertex B to A, C, and D. In the same way, we have to find the shortest distance from C to A, B, and D. Similarly, from D to all the other vertices, that is A, B, and C. Okay, so we have to find the shortest distance from any vertex to all other vertices. This is called our all pair shortest path. Now we have Floyd-Warshall algorithm, our Floyd-Warshall algorithm to find the shortest path among all the vertices. Here we have a recursive formula, that is Dij k equals to minimum of Dij k minus 1 or Dik, that is intermediate vertex k minus 1 plus Dkj k minus 1. Okay, so we have to find the matrices of these vertices. Now how we create initial matrix. So we will create initial matrix Dij 0 as Dij 0 equals to Wij. Okay, so with initial weights we have to create the matrix Dij. Now let's take an example. This is our example. Here we have 4 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to create D4 matrices. Okay, so we have to create matrix 4 times. Initial matrix D0. Here I have already shows you D0. Here we write vertices and also here we write vertices. Now initial matrix Dij equals to Wij. So we will create our matrix as, is there any self loop? Let's see in the graph. No, there is no self loop. So all diagonal elements are 0. Okay, now 1, 2. Let's check any edge from 1 to 2. Yes, there is a edge from 1 to 2. Weight is 3. So we write 3 here. Next 1 to 3. There is no edge from 1 to 3. So we will write infinity here. Now 1 to 4. There is an edge from 1 to 4. So write here 7. Okay. Next 2 to 1. 2 to 1. There is an edge from 2 to 1 whose weight is 8. So we will write 8 here. Now 2 to 3. There is an edge from 2 to 3 whose weight is 2. So write 2 here. Now from 2 to 4. There is no direct edge from 2 to 4. So write infinity. Now from 3 to 1. If there is an edge, yes, 3 to 1. There is an edge 3 to 1 whose weight is 5. So write 5 here. Now 3 to 2. There is no edge from 3 to 2. So write infinity here. Now 3, 4. So here is an edge from 3 to 4 whose length is, weight is 1. So write 1 here. Now from 4 to 1. There is an edge from 4 to 1 whose weight is 2. So write 2 here. Now 4 to 2. There is no edge from 4 to 2. So write infinity here. Now last 4 to 3. 4 to 3. There is no edge from 4 to 3, so write infinity here. Okay, so this is our initial matrix D0. Now we will create next matrix D1. Okay, D1. All diagonals are 0 because there is no self loop. In the matrix D1, we will copy the elements of D0 from first row and first column. 0, 3, infinity, 7, 0, 8, 5, 2. Okay. So in the matrix D1, elements are copied from matrix D0 in the first row and first column. Okay, so we have to find all the other elements. Now to find these elements, we have a formula that I have already shown you, that is minimum of dij k minus 1 dik k minus 1 plus dkj k minus 1. So with the help of this formula, we find our elements. So first element we have to find is 2, 3. D 2, 3. Okay, matrix 1. This is our intermediate vertices, that is K. Now using this formula, we find the element. This formula says minimum of dij, that is d2 3, k minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0, dik 2 1, k minus 1 0, plus dkj d1 3 0, k minus 1, that is we use here intermediate vertex. Okay, so we use intermediate vertex 1 to find the minimum element. Now let's check the element from matrix D0, D0 2 3. So here in the matrix D0 we will check 2 3. Here 2 3, it is 2, comma 2 1. Here 2 1 is 8, plus 1 3 1 3, it is infinity. So infinity plus 8 is also infinity, so minimum is 2. So our D23 element is 1, so we will write 1 here. Okay, next element is this one, D2 4, using intermediate vertex 1. Minimum of D2 4, intermediate vertex 1, sorry 0, intermediate vertex is 1, but here k minus 1, that is 0, D2 comma k, intermediate vertex 1 0, plus D1 4 0. Okay, so we will find these elements from matrix D0. Let's find D2 4, 2 4. This element is infinity, so we will write infinity. We will write minimum of infinity, comma 2 1. So element 2 1, this is 8, 8 plus element 1 4, 1 4, this is 7. So here minimum is 15. So this element 2 4 is 15. Okay, similarly in the same way we can find other elements. So now I am going to create the matrix D1. So our final matrix after computing all the values will be shown as 1 2 3 4. First row 0 3 infinity and 7. First column 0 8 5 2, and other elements are 8 0 1 8 infinity 0. Okay, so our first matrix will be look like this. First row and first column are same. Okay, now we will create D2 matrix using this matrix D1. D2 I J. In this matrix, second row and second column are same as in D1 matrix. So we will write here D8 0 2 15. Second column 3 0 8 8. Okay. Second row and second column. And all diagonals are also 0. So we have to find all the other elements. Here we have to find 1 3. So D2 of 1 3. Okay, so we have the formula minimum Dij, that is 1 3. D1 3 of k minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 1. Dik, I means 1, and k intermediate vertex, which is 2. Okay, so we have, because we have to find D2 matrix, so intermediate vertex is 2 and k minus 1 is 1, plus dkj, that is 2, j is 3, k minus 1 is also 1. Okay, let's see the elements in matrix D2, D1, sorry. So first element is D1 3, 1 3. Here is it is infinity, so we will write infinity here. So minimum infinity. D1 2, 1 2 is 3, 3 2, 1 2 or 2 3, 2 3, which is 2. So minimum of among these is 5. Okay, so this element is 5. Okay, next we have to find the element 1 4. D2 of 1 4. Similarly, we use minimum D1 4 k comma D1 intermediate vertex, which is 2. 1 plus 2 4 5. Here element 1 4 in the matrix D1, 1 4, which is 7. Element 1 2, 1 2, here it is 3, plus 2 4, 2 4, which is 15. So minimum is 7. So here 7. Okay, similarly we can find all the other elements. Now I will find the elements and show you. So the elements are 5 2 0 7 1 0. Okay, so it is our D2 matrix. Now we have to find the matrix D3. D3 I J. Here third row and third column are same as in D2 matrix. So I will write here 5, 8, 0, 1 and third column is 5, 2, 0, 7. Diagonal elements are also 0. Okay. So similarly, in the same way, we can find the elements of matrix D3. As I have already found, so I will show you all the elements. I will write here all the elements: 0, 3, 6, 3, 7, 2, 5. Okay, so it is our D3 matrix. Similarly, we can find the matrix D4. Here fourth row and fourth column are same as in the matrix D3. Okay, so fourth row and fourth column is 2, 5, 7, 0, 6, 3, 1, 0. Fourth row and fourth column. And diagonal elements are also 0. Okay, let us find the elements. I will show you the full matrix. Okay, so you can find the elements in the same way. This is our D4 matrix, which is our final matrix and final distance from all vertices to all other vertices. Okay, so distance from 1 to 1 is 0, 1 to 2 is 3, 1 to 3 is 5, 1 to 4 is 6. So 1 to 1, that is 0. 1 to 2, that is 3. 1 to 3, distance is 5. And 1 to 4, distance is 6. Similarly, from 2 to 1, distance is 5. 2 to 2, distance is 0. 2 to 3, distance is 2. And 2 to 4, distance is 3. Now distance from 3 to all other vertices: 3 to 1, 3, 3 to 2, 6, 3 to 3 is 0, and 3 to 4 is 1. Similarly, from 4 to 1, distance is 2. 4 to 2, distance is 5. 4 to 3, distance is 7. And 4 to 4 is distance is 0. So these are among shortest distances from all other vertices. Thank you.